phone, straight land on your dome and get your mangy ass on. Back to the kitty 'cause she's kinda pretty. I can't stop looking at her face. Me and Cat Mama rolled into the distant fog. Little did she know I'm a nasty dog. I'm slinging that game like it ain't Jack. I see this fat black cat, but she won't look back. Rolling this paper, trying to entice her. Don't need a front, but I like stop. Me and Attitude fighting over who pulls up. Two dogs in a sports car playing old cuts. Turned down to James Brown. I said, what's up, girl? But she still won't turn around. Attitude. When the girls are playing and rolling, what do?
Call them stuck up.
Now we're both trying to front like we don't care. Whip a U-turn to get a quick stare. But the face was hurt. The girl's grill was torn. Mustache wasn't
Pagay
working.
nila. Uy, hi, I'm
Grandma low face with a
Samson.
non-ass body. Mac Daddy didn't want this hottie. Flashbacks to the crying game. I hate to see any parts of that poontang.